G'day guys, John here, Chief Instructor with FPV Australia. Welcome back to the Madhouse. It's about mid-May at this point and our virtual classroom environments are running along nicely. We had an amazing response to the virtual classroom. As you know, we announced that due to the COVID restrictions and we couldn't travel, so we took it virtual, real-time, online. And we were the first to do that, and now we were so overwhelmed by students, we've rescheduled more courses, and we've done a few things. Some people, because of homeschooling and work commitments and whatever else, were still finding it a little bit tricky to get the time off work or away from the kids in the blocks we had. And what we're doing is we're running 4-hour blocks across 3 days. And some were 9 o'clock starts in the morning, some were 12 o'clock starts in the afternoon. It's just depended on the group at hand. But what we've done is, because some still couldn't sort of manage that, we've decided to be a little bit fluid as well. And so now we've got nighttime courses that we're offering. So if you've got work commitments or kids or whatever else and the daytime's a problem, we've now got a nighttime class. And what we did too is we were getting a lot of feedback from people going, well, it's very hard for me to get three blocks in 3 straight days. Can you do it over consecutive weeks? So we've now launched a course that runs across evenings over consecutive weeks. For example, the first one I think that's online now is Thursday nights. So it'll be 3 Thursday nights in a row. So that way, if you've got work commitments and you've got kids and everyone's trying to juggle their time, this might suit you better. If you still can't find something that fits the mold for you, please get in touch with us, because we can, you might not be alone in that stakes, and we can set up a course that might fit you and a bunch of other people that's sort of very different from what we're doing now. So please give us a call. The feedback on the courses itself and on the experience has been amazing. The platform we use is brilliant. No software to install or anything like that. And it allows us to do just everything we do in the classroom with whiteboards, and it's not a whiteboard on the camera, it's a virtual whiteboard on the screen, so it's really easy to see. You're not sort of squinting through a grainy screen trying to see it. We're playing, all of our videos run, and the interaction in the classroom and people are talking to each other. It's just like being in the same room, only we're not. Restrictions are slowly being lifted, so we're going to start to get out to the regions very soon, start booking people in to do the practical sessions. And we're going to continue to do that. We're going to continue to offer this virtual training into the future. It works. It allows the simplicity of not having to leave your home, which is fantastic. And as I said, the platform is very stable and very successful. And the feedback we've had is amazing. I'm very, very pleased. I've got some new courses that are coming. We will offer both virtual and real-time face-to-face courses into the future, so we're really excited about the future. Actually, it's awesome. We've got the new MOS that will eventually kick in October, and we will massage that into our current virtual environment. So still our quality training packages delivered by myself and my instructor group in the same quality fashion that everyone's come accustomed to. So we're really pleased. Look, if you've got questions, something doesn't quite fit the bill for you, and you can't just, on the website are all the dates. If something doesn't line up for you, please get in touch with us, because we can be very fluid and we can make changes to suit you perhaps. The contact details below on the screen here, our usual 1300 number. That'll take you straight through to the girls in the office. You can get me directly on my line if you like, which is 02 6112 8553. I may or may not be at my desk depending if I'm training, but easier alternatives to pop me an email, and you can do it to either myself directly or the girls in the office is training@fpvaustralia.com.au, or myself, john@fpvaustralia.com.au. Anyway, if you've got any questions, fire it away. I hope this has been informative for you. We're really excited about our virtual classroom. It's been a great success for us and we're powering forward. Remember, if you are flying a drone today, tomorrow, next week or next month, do so please safely and responsibly. Safe skies for everybody. Cheers.